KTM has officially pulled the covers off the updated 690 SMC R and 690 Enduro R, both now packing the Euro 5 plus compliant LC4 692.7cc single-cylinder engine, which they proudly claim to be the most powerful street-legal single-cylinder motor you can buy. These new models first made a low-key appearance back in June at the Adventure Bike Rider Festival, but KTM is now giving us the full rundown on what's changed in the engine, tech, and design. This thumper now pumps out 77.9 horsepower and 73 newton meters or 53.9 pound-feet of torque, snatching the crown from Ducati's Hypermotard 698 Mono. Around half of the engine components have been updated or replaced, not just to meet the stricter emissions rules, but also to squeeze out more performance. We're talking a revised crankcase, clutch, and stator cover, a simplified oil system for reduced friction, a quicker 65-degree throttle twist, a new airbox minus the secondary air system, a higher pressure fuel pump, and an exhaust with a relocated catalyst, making the muffler more compact. Maintenance intervals have also improved. Oil changes are now every 15,000 kilometers, and valve checks every 60,000 kilometers. The signature KTM steel trellis frame remains, but it's been fine-tuned for better stiffness and rider feedback. Suspension has been retuned for a sweet spot between performance and comfort. The SMC R rolls on 17-inch wheels with WP Apex 48mm forks offering 224mm of travel, and a monoshock with 240mm out back, sitting at a seat height of 899mm. The Enduro R goes full adventure spec with a 21-inch front and 18-inch rear, WP Explore USD 48mm forks with 265mm of travel, and a rear monoshock with 250mm, with a taller 935mm seat height. Both tip the scales at 162 kilograms fully fueled and carry 13.3 liters in the tank. On the tech side, things get seriously modern. There's now a 4.2-inch full-color TFT with an anti-glare coating, KTMconnect for music, calls, and turn-by-turn plus navigation, plus a USB-C port. The new switchgear is more ergonomic with backlit buttons. Riding modes: Street and Sport on the SMC R, Street and Off-Road on the Enduro R, both with memory so your settings don't vanish when you turn the bike off. The Enduro R also gets an optional rally mode with dynamic slip adjust, motor slip regulation, and slip adjuster, while the SMC R offers an optional track mode with launch control, 5-stage anti-wheelie, motor slip regulation, and slip adjuster. Both bikes feature cornering ABS and traction control, powered by a 6D sensor with ABS settings tuned to each bike's mission. The SMC R gets Supermoto plus ABS and Sport ABS for hard braking on tarmac, while the Enduro R gets off-road ABS, disabling the rear ABS for better control in the rough stuff. Enduro R's dynamic slip adjust automatically manages rear wheel slip to match traction needs, perfect for slippery trails or steep climbs. With this mix of power, tech, and terrain taming ability, the 2026 KTM 690 SMC R and 690 Enduro R aren't just the most powerful singles out there. They're also among the most complete packages in their class. The SMC R is track-hungry supermoto, the Enduro R is an adventure-ready beast, and both will land in dealerships by September 2025, starting at £10,499, underpricing the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono. So what do you think? With more power, all this tech, and a price lower than Ducati's, is the new KTM 690 the new king of single-cylinder bikes? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.